Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen. So today I want us to start off analysis with a chart on our screen. We will be looking at a bunch of few other charts other than the ones we look at. We'll add others, but we'll start off with the Euro GBP. The chart is already on my screen, it's opened. So you see what happened yesterday. We drew some zone, we drew a very good resistance zone. We had another resistance zone here, and we had a very good support zone. Yesterday the price attempted to move upwards, but then it came down and ended up closing below, which is it almost touched this zone here, but it could not touch it properly. So as it is right now, we do expect that the buyers are going to continue to push price upwards. So we're looking forward for a movement to the upside, at least up to this level here. So if the price can move up and touch this zone, if it doesn't break and close above it, then this will be the ideal place to look for a sell from. That's my opinion on this chart. I want us to look at GBPUSD on a lesser time frame. So GBPUSD on the 30 minutes time frame looks like the price is in a bullish trend. We have a very good resistance zone. So we have a resistance. As the price is moving to the upside, we expect a possible sell around 1.27 810, 1.27 718. If the price can move up and touch somewhere in between these two lines, then this will give us the ideal place to look for a sell from. So we will be expecting the sellers to come in strongly around this area up to this level. If that level is broken, that is, if the price ascends above these two lines, then we want to wait for a retracement back towards the same level to pick a long-term buy position, expecting the price to push us even higher. But as it is now, this is a good place to look for a sell from. We do expect we are looking for an actual sell position towards this zone. If this zone is broken, the next zone is this one. If this is broken, then the next zone we'll expect a breakout and a close below this zone here. So that's my opinion on GBPUSD. The other chart is EURUSD, 30 minutes time frame. So on this chart, we are looking at almost the same scenario as GBPUSD. We have a very good resistance zone and a good place to look for a sell from. So if the price doesn't close above this zone, this upper zone, that will be a good place to look for a sell from. So we'll just be waiting to see what happens. If the price ascends above it, that will be a sign that we're now continuing upwards. If the price rebounds off from it, then that will be a good place to look for a sell from. So we may sell it there, expecting the sellers to push us up to this zone, where if this zone is broken, the next zone is this one here. But if the price should ascend above this red zone, then we'll expect the price to continue upwards towards this line here. This is 1.09312. So a breakout and then a continuation upwards up to this zone. If this is broken, then we will expect the price to extend even higher. My next chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. This is a bearish trend. We have had several sell zones, like resistance zones. We have the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Then we have a very good support here. So as it is right now, expect a sell around this area. If this zone is broken, the next place to look for a sell from is this zone. If this is broken, the next place is this one. If this is broken, then the next place is this one. But if the price should break below this red zone, then we expect it to break below the next one, which is this one, and that will be a good sign that we're now continuing even lower. So as it is right now, while the price is held within the range which I've just mentioned, we are waiting for reversals in between these two lines. If the price breaks out of those range, then we will expect the price to continue in the direction of the breakout. The other chart is this is USDJPY. USDJPY so far we have a very good resistance, we have a resistance, and we have a very good support zone. We do expect that if the price can move down, if it does not break and close below this zone, this should give us a good place to look for a buy from. But if the price descends and closes below it, then that will mean that we are now continuing downwards, at least up to around 1.0. Sorry, this is 0.84961. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow on Monday at the same time. Thank you and see you.